Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an alert when an app accesses text, images or other content on the clipboard in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now here in security and privacy, scroll down and click on additional privacy controls, and here you will see a alert when clipboard accessed button. So if you want to get an alert when an app accesses text, image or other content you have copied on your clipboard, then turn on this button. So that's how you can get an alert when an app accesses text, image or other content on the clipboard in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.